double check everything quickly. Yeah, this goes to the filter box, but I think it's fine. It's just
belt or nothing.
no, it should be good. You tightened this, right? The valve cover?
Yeah.
Kinda nervous, man. Can you see if there's anything leaking underneath? It's probably not. Nope. Trying to prime the fuel pump. Trying to prime the fuel pump. Oh man, I'm nervous.
Is that the fuel pump though?
Yeah.
You know when
I don't know why I don't hear the fuel pump. Should be able to hear it.
I think I heard it.
Maybe you can hear it from inside.
Tell me when.
Are you getting any fuel or no?
Carb cleaner will work as starting fluid, right? If anything in here be cold. You lost. Sorry, come on.
All right, try it. Huh.
Fuel issue.
Something with the fuel, I think. All right, try again. Keep cranking it. Go. Don't understand. We need like a starting fluid, I think. I don't know. Try again. I keep forgetting. You gotta prime it again. Got the fuel lines mixed up. there's some stuff going on. Gotta fix it up. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, the RPMs are jumping up and down. I think something is either not plugged in right or something.
Yeah, it might be something like, it sounds like it's making like a popping noise every once in a while too.
Yeah, I don't know. It could be because of that something, this fire maybe, I don't know.
Heard that, man.
In gear! It's in gear now. Whew. Yeah, I don't know what that popping noise is. Can't tell. Oh man, gotta fix it up. Some vacuum leak there, I don't know. Moving the hoses changes the idle and stuff. Oh, now it doesn't even want to idle. Alright.
Yeah.
Try it again.
I think that's the issue, is that thing.
Try it again. Go ahead. What? Let me plug it back in, see what it does. Oh man. Well, this car had a head gasket problem and the head cylinder had problem, but we don't know. There could be other issues. Oh my gosh, this thing. Cavity? Yeah. What about it? Oh, gotta do it one by one. Hold on. It could be also one of the coils could be bad. The spark plugs. It's hard to say as of right now. Trying to plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in now. Oil separator. There. Alright, try it now. Yeah, I think it's something with the oil separator. Alright, so unplugging the oil separator actually stalls it.
It could be a bad oil separator.
I don't know. Turn the key off and back on.
Like start it?
No, just turn the ignition on so the lights come on. The oil separator works. It's, I'm feeling it, it's buzzing. And we noticed this hose is no good. We got cracks and stuff. Alright, try to start it again. I just try. Give it some gas. a hissing noise too. Definitely a vacuum leak somewhere. That's the smoke from the exhaust because it's all oily. You shut it off?
Yeah.
All right. Getting hot? Okay. It's definitely something to do with the vacuum leak. And then maybe could be one of the coils is no good or something, you know. And it's hard to tell right now because the car idles not too good. So if you unplug one, it's probably gonna stall out. But we could still try that. The best thing would be to have a smoke machine. Just connect that smoke machine, smoke the whole thing, and see where it's coming from.
You said you touched that one line and it wanted to...
Yeah, I kind of tried it now, but I'm like touching like the coolant line. I don't know like why. Maybe I'm touching something else at the same time. I don't understand. I'm gonna try to double check some of those hoses too. Well, I thought California was a sweet state, but look at this shit. You can barely see, but diesel is like $4.35, $4.35 per gallon, and the regular gasoline is $4.25. It's nuts. I'm starting to not like California. It's like this thing is holding water. It's not draining something. Gotta figure that out. Oh well.
Working on a car.
Yeah, so we got $37 and we got 8.5 gallons. Huh. Damn. Yeah, man, this is crazy.